be landing at Heathrow in a few minutes here. Less than 20 minutes. I tried 20 minutes. We're about maybe 7-8 miles from Heathrow Airport. The flight was overnight. We're 10 miles. A team just chilling, listening to music, watching a movie. It's very cloudy, you can't see anything out there. We don't have a nice view because of the wind right there. Very cloudy. I can see land down there, just below the clouds. You can see land. I'm gonna zoom for a second here. It's hard to see because of the clouds. I'm not sure if you can see land down there. It's there somewhere. Yes, we are flying Virgin Atlantic. We just flew over the Atlantic for 6 hours from Boston to Heathrow. Subscribe and watch us landing. Subscribe. We're turning here to get ready to land at Heathrow London Airport. You can see land out there. Have a nice view because it's turning.
Yo, look at that big house. They have 2 basketball courts.
Now we have a nice view. Still very cloudy, so it's hard to see. The window is kind of foggy. It's kind of cool. We're going in a loop, in a circle. I think they are waiting to be clear to land. Been doing that like 15 minutes here. Ready to land. See the flaps? They are up or down. So ready to land. Have a good view here because of the wind. We're gonna land soon here. Buildings are getting closer and closer. Should land in like a minute. It's not the best view, but
Dude, out of that window. Oh, my stomach.
see the trees. Alright, I'm gonna touch down here in a second. Gonna be a little bumpy once we land. And a second now, 3, 2, 1. they close. Watch. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Peace out. We are in Heathrow, London.